Let's continue on the Chapter 3B, Effects of Weather on Small Unmanned Aircraft Performance, with a look at measurement of atmospheric pressure. So with measurement of atmospheric pressure, we use the following international standard atmosphere, ISA, and that's just so everything can be at a reasonable standard, everything's the same across the world. It's just like Zulu time. So the standard sea level pressure is going to be 29.92 Hg. That's for pressure. And now let's talk about temperature, which is a standard temperature of 59 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 15 degrees Celsius. Now, atmospheric pressure, it can be associated with millibars, MB, and 1 Hg that we talked about is equal to 34 millibars. The standard sea level pressure is going to be 1013.2 millibars, with typical readings being at the 950 to 1040 millibars. Surface charts, high and low pressure charts, as well as hurricane data is all reported using millibars. So you have HGs and millibars. Now we go back to HG. 1 Hg is equal to 1,000 feet of elevation. So if we look at this example right here, remember the standard sea level reading is 24.92. If a station is at 5,000 feet, remember 1 Hg is equal to 1,000 feet. So instead of 24.92, this station is going to report a sea level pressure of 29.92 Hg. And if you wanted to find out what this was in millibars, you would just multiply this by the 34, because 1 Hg is equal to 34 millibars. Lastly, rising pressure is an indication of fair weather, and if you have a decreasing pressure, it indicates that possibly bad weather and severe thunderstorms are coming.